A lot of people hear the word Riesling and think of a super sweet dessert wine, but that's not always the case. This week on an Everyday Sommelier Summer Series, we land in Germany, where I'm going to show you a classic Riesling that straddles the line between dry and sweet. Are you ready? Let's go! Riesling wine is a bit of a chameleon because it can change characteristics based on its soil and climate, making some of them sweet like a dessert wine and some bone dry. The Mosel River region in Germany has a cool climate and steep slopes where the vineyards produce some of the best Rieslings in the world. If you're new to Riesling and not sure if you like dry or sweet, both styles are great for food pairings. Riesling is a very versatile varietal and a great choice for seafood, spicy dishes, poultry, and of course, desserts. I chose a classic Riesling today right in the middle to help make this wine a little more approachable. This is a delicious Riesling Dr. L from Lucen Brothers. It's an off-dry, meaning slightly sweet Riesling that's fruit-forward with notes of white peach, citrus, and apple. Remember, a great bottle of wine can be easy to find, and you can find this one at your local wine shop for around $15. Cheers!